Hey guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we're going to show you how to fix available credit not updating on Capital One. So if you're interested, let's start tutorial. So there's actually multiple reasons why your credit is not updating on Capital One. So first reason, pending transactions. One of the main reasons your available credit may not be updating is due to pending transactions. Pending transactions are payments you've made to vendors that haven't cleared yet. So these delays can affect your utilization ratio. If a pending transaction is taking too long to clear, you can contact the merchant to inquire about canceling the payment or using an alternative payment method. You can also reach out to Capital One at the following numbers, in this case for assistance. Now, second reason is going to be payment delays. Another reason for your available credit not updating could be payment delays. If you're paid off your Capital One credit card balance but haven't seen the available credit reflect this, it might be due to processing times. Capital One may take some time to process payments depending on how and when you made the payment. Your best course of action is to wait a bit longer. If the delay persists, contact Capital One at the same number. Now, the final reason is going to be due to technical glitches. Technical glitches, including software updates, connectivity issues, or system maintenance, can also cause issues with your available credit not updating. You can troubleshoot the problem by checking the current status of the Capital One service on their website, which is CapitalOne.com. Now, if the problem continues, you can go ahead and contact Capital One's online account support team again to see if there are any outages. And that's about it. So, hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.